So it's a scorcher out here. So if you've been following along, I've been working on the Lymow overheating issue, and I think I found probably the best solution. I have tried cardboard, I have tried HVAC foil tape, and I think I have found probably the easiest and simple solution, which can be removed, and that's this right here. This right here is a tape, but it is a bubble foil tape. So it's kind of like bubble wrap, and it has foil on one side and tape on the other side, and just clean your mower deck off. I'll show you here in a minute how I put it on. But this seems to be the best solution I can find. Obviously, by the way, I'm down here at the beach house. I'm not at the farm property. I have one of the mowers down here, and I gotta tell you, here's the problem. The Lymow, I believe, is the best cutting mower on the market. When I got down here, the grass was overgrown. It was probably about 6 inches tall out front. I ran it over it once, and then yesterday I slowed the mower speed down. I turned the blade speed up, and it did such a perfect job. This lawn looked absolutely gorgeous. And I'm talking about a huge amount of clippings discharging out the side, and that's the problem. The problem with these Kickstarter mowers, I'm going to warn you right now, the two that are on Kickstarter, I'm going to bring one in, but they're sending real lawnmower blades with it. I've talked about this before. If you put real lawnmower blades that have a lift on it, and you don't have a way for those to discharge, in other words, there's not a design for the vortex and the discharge of those clippings, you're going to run into huge problems. You're going to have all kinds of clippings packed up underneath. I did a big 30-minute long video on that, so go watch it on the channel. So what mower am I recommending right now? Right now, I am recommending one that's out there, that has been tested, that is doing well, and people are not having issues with. It has a 16-inch wide cutting deck, and that's the 450 model. And I'll link to the other page down below, which I created for another video. You can order it on Amazon, or you can order it directly through Navimo. I gave you two options on it, but you want to get the 450. And the reason why you want to get the 450 is the amount of acreage that these things can cut, if you don't know this, is not limited by the power or the battery, it's limited by the software. When you hit a certain point, your software mapping cuts you off. It won't let you do anymore. So if it says 1.5 acres, you can probably get a little bit above that, but after that, it cuts you off. A lot of people don't realize that. Plus, instead of using an RTK station, it uses network RTK, which essentially communicates through these towers that are all around the United States and does the same thing, which is really nice. So I would say 90% of the people in the United States can use the network RTK, so you don't have to install one of these base stations. But as far as overall cutting, man, Lymow just takes it. I mean, they're simply the best cutting. The problem is overheating and blade stop issue. You'll be going along, and all of a sudden the blades stop and the mower keeps going. It's not cutting. It's happening to everybody out there. And unfortunately, this cannot be solved with a software issue. It has to be physically solved in the design of the unit. I don't know how they're going to do it. So if you have a Lymow, this right here I have found is the best solution. I've been doing testing with it. I'm running it during the heat of the day. As of right now, I do not have any blade stop issues, although I'm not running it on a huge property. This beach property is kind of small. So that's about it. So if you don't mind supporting us, please use one of the links on that page. You can buy it on Amazon, or you can buy it through Navimo. Just use the links and it helps us out. An announcement which I've been making is I already have delivered out the farm property. I have the world's largest robotic lawnmower that is an amazing beast. It has a 40-inch cutting deck. I'll be doing a video on that, so make sure you're subscribed, because otherwise you'll miss those videos, and it's kind of cool. And what I'm trying to demonstrate by bringing that in is there's an in-between between these small robot lawnmowers and these monster robot lawnmowers that are commercial grade. There's an in-between that the consumer really wants. The consumer really wants a real lawnmower with real cutting blades aside, just like a regular lawnmower. So if you're a manufacturer of these things, give me a call. I'll give you my designs, and you will dominate the market if you come out with one of those. So let me go over here. Let me show you. I backed up the Lymow over here. If you saw the amount of clippings that were being discharged out this port, you'll understand. And I've shown this before, how the decks get clogged up, and it's a real problem with mowers that do not have a discharge port. That mulching crap is it doesn't work. All right, so here's what I did. Basically, it's tape, it sticks to the sides, sticks really well. I kind of overlap it a little bit here, so I have a bit of an overlap, cut out the hole for the discharge, and then you got to make sure that these ports overcut them so that you don't have foil grounding these two things when they touch. And that's pretty much it. So the sun hits this, it does not get to the deck, and that is the solution right there. That is the best, least expensive, easy way to do it. If it ever comes off this roll, you can probably do 2 or 3 of those mowers if you need to replace it. This stuff is really cool. I'll put a link. I'll put a link to that. I'll put it on that page. I'll add it to that page that I have existing, talking about the 450, the model that I now recommend. As far as if you're looking for a robot lawnmower, the 450 is the way to go right now. It's tested, it's proven, it's doing really well. It doesn't have real lawnmower blades, but it's a 16-inch wide cutting deck. So let me put up, I think I have some video of me doing this, but it works. Just want to clean it off a little bit. And then I'll put some tape on it. All right. So I hope this is sticky enough, but see what I mean? It's a foil bubble. Perfect, absolutely perfect. No contact with the deck. Like here, oh, there we go. Oh yeah, it's sticky. And you want to make sure that you don't interfere with any of the operation, obviously. All right, so there we go. There's the perfect heat shield right there. But see what I mean? That is a foil top with bubbles and adhesive on the bottom. And you can just sort of shape this around. Or make sure you leave plenty of room around here so you don't connect these electrodes with the foil. Make sure you don't glue the front bumper. Make sure that's clear. Make sure that that back exit hole is open for the clippings. And it's okay to overlap it. That's kind of what I'm doing. I'm kind of overlapping it here. Man, that is just perfect. So far, that is the best solution I have come up with. I've tried cardboard, I've tried foil tape, I've drilled holes over the motors for ventilation. I did a whole series of videos on that. But this seems to be the easiest, quickest fix. Will it solve it 100%? No. But here's the problem. If you go out and touch the hood of your car right now, it's probably going to be 170 degrees. It's the same thing that happens to that black deck. And if you just want to shield that and just keep the contact off, a vinyl skin that attaches to the deck is not going to help that much. You want an air pocket in between. That's where this just hits it perfect. Again, make sure you're subscribed and make sure your bell is turned on, because I've got a series coming up on that new monster mower. I also, hopefully, I have a new backup power station that's going to be here at the beach house. I'm going to show you actually the beach house running off-grid for a while. I figured I'd do that. But if you'll use the links, if you're thinking about a mower, you want to buy one right now, one that's reliable, one that's tested, people aren't having problems with, the 450 in the description below. I'll link to the page. You can follow the links all around and order it either way. Appreciate it. Doc.